Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. This is a very basic tutorial, so if you are a pro, you can skip this video because this video is especially for beginners. Okay, if you want to redeem a code, you can go to the shop menu right here, and you're going to scroll down until you find the rewards. And if you want to redeem your code, you can go to the codes and type the code here. For example, I'm going to redeem this codes. I have already claimed it actually. So it says you already claimed this code. Okay, so if you want to redeem the code, just go to the shop and claim it right here. For the group rewards, you can open up the group reward and claim. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem a code in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!